I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates fell for a second straight day as the week came to an end. The stock market sank and commodity prices dropped because of China's surprise decision to further restrict domestic bank lending. Traders believe the Chinese move could lead to slower global growth, thereby reducing inflation. The U.S. bond market loved the news because rising prices are public enemy number one for fixed income investors. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 1 3/4 points, down a quarter point from Thursday, for a savings of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate was down 1/8 of a point to half of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage also fell, with the 4 1/4% rate down a quarter of a point to 1 1/2 points. The 4 1/2% rate is now at just 1/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. January retail sales rose an as expected 0.5% on Friday, with some of the activity taking place in the luxury goods sector. This seems to indicate that consumers are becoming a bit less cautious about tightening their purse strings. Next Thursday, we will see how inflation was doing at the wholesale level last month. A jump is expected due to higher energy prices. However, next Friday's report on consumer prices is not expected to show the same rise because the survey covers services as well as goods. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Saturday for my next free mortgage rate update.